What's up? What's up, my peeps? Thank you guys for the 130 subscribers. We really appreciate it. Our goal is 200 now. Alright, so like I said, we're going to be picking our subscriber winners. So if you will share, like, comment, hit that notification bell to hear the ding, and subscribe. Comment your favorite ever card. All-time favorite card to be entered into this second giveaway on the Poke Queens channel. First, I wanted to show you something really cool that I got. Alright, so it's a Dark Sylveon V, so Jade and me and Jade is going to have one now. Because that was part of her giveaway, her Poke goodie bag. Alright, and here is something really cool that I thought was pretty cool. We got the classic up in here. Sabrina's Ghastly. Oh wow, you can see me in here. Ugh, I'm sorry guys. Anyways, just check that out. We might go ahead and take it out of here just so you guys can see it better. It's Sabrina's Ghastly, 30 HP. 1995, 96, and 98, 99, and 2000. So it came out a long time ago. It's a level 9, number 92. And I was born in 92, so that's perfect. Because Gengar is my favorite ever Pokemon, if you can't tell. Let's see. Gas Pokemon length 4'3", weight 0.2 pounds. Lick 10, Fade Out 30. And there's Sabrina. And it's a 96 out of 132. So that's really cool. Alright. I'll put that back in its little sleeve after the video. And so I figured we would open up a Brilliant Stars. Let's get straight into it. Here we go, here we go. Let's see what we can get. 1, 2, 3, and 4. I declare a lightning war. Shout out to Frosted Caribou. Hey, boo. Fist bump energy. We got the fighting energy up in here. Monferno, which there's a box in the Lost Origins that I really want. Haven't got any of the Lost Origins yet, but I'm about to. I'm hoping to get them. And the new Japanese set, too. Gloria. Gible. The little Gible. Trapinch. Cast Form. Throw. Reverse Hollow Flygon. And Breloom. Oh goodness. We had the it's the Tig Bitties. Tig Bitties up in here. Woo! Alright, so that was a flop. But not really because of these bad boys. Alright, if you like this content, don't forget to subscribe, like, comment, share, and hit that notification bell. And comment your favorite all-time favorite Pokemon from the whole entire thing starting back in the 90s. Alright, I love you guys so much. I hope you win my second ever giveaway. I hope you have joy, love, and peace in your life. Jesse's saying, have a great night. Peace out.